it's a really pivotal moment, I think, for Poland, not least because I think economically, it's in a sort of period of confusion in terms of what its next step is, in terms of the trajectory of the structure of its core economic comparative advantage. And I think for a lot of people, there is a perception that the future of the Polish economy is very intimately connected to defense. And that is partly because of the Ukraine situation. I think regardless of whether there is a resolution or not, Poland's future is going to be aligned in defense either way, because even if we do get some sort of breakthrough, it will be the capacity to maintain it is going to be about having strength on both sides, I would imagine, from both perspectives. And Poland is Ukraine's direct neighbor. It was the country that came to Ukraine's help more so than anyone else in Europe. And so I think whatever happens, peace or no peace, Poland is now aware of this fragility at the border. It's aware, well, Europe as a whole, I think, is aware of its underinvestment in defense. And I think, from now onwards, Poland is going to be front and center of that catch up.